All right, everybody, here I am in northern Wisconsin, just off of State Highway 35, and yeah, it's a busy road, but we are at Glendenning Road, and this is Rustic Road 79. This is actually a very short road. It says for 1 mile. I think it's technically 1.2 miles. I think. I'm not sure exactly, but again, we don't know what this road has. I've never ridden this road. I almost never come up into this area. So let's see what Rustic Road 79 holds for us. All right, here we go, guys. Rustic Road 79. Wow, I got you guys up there a long way. Let's bring you down just a little bit. There, I think that'll be a little bit better. All right. Now, as some of you may know, rustic roads can be paved, they can be gravel, and they can be both. This one, however, is completely paved. So let's have some fun. Again, I have no map on my phone or anything to give me a heads up of any curves. That is a hiking trail that we just went across. It is actually a state hiking trail, and I can't remember the name of it off the top of my head. Oh, and I learned something new about the Rustic Road program, is that you don't have to have a photo at your stops. They basically now have like a little checklist, and you just put down the date that you rode the road, and then you can submit it for proof of your accomplishment. So then you can get your patches, your certificate, or your pins, or whatever. Oh, you guys are falling on me. Sorry, I know you're kind of high up there, but my ram is not holding as tightly as I would like. Oh, here's a nice little water shot here. Nice. I am just putting along at about 35 miles an hour. I'm not doing 45. Whoa. Tight little, whoa. Okay, that was the end of our road. Whoa. All right. Was not expecting that. I was debating on whether or not I should do that, because I was looking down here and all this is soft sand. Short road, very, very short road. I wish it could have been longer. I liked going by the water bridge down there, being able to see across the little lakes. That was nice. But the road construction was good. A little bit of road traffic, not bad. You know, you got to expect that every once in a while. All right, well, this is Mark saying thank you again for watching. Always believe you can go out for your adventure, go out for your ride. Always believe in yourself. Heart, soul, mind, and body that you can do it. Bye, guys.